Let's double check, guys, the Gala games, Gala USDT trading pair with my customer request. First of all, guys, my main plan for the Gala games was 49 cents, 75. I never talk about $1 or higher. So it was the top of the top, by my personal opinion. But even after the crash on the Binance and many other exchanges, I don't think so we're going to reach this target. So I don't know what should happen with the GameFi sector. So the Gala games performed to 50 cents again. Of course, when I posted the main bull run plan video, we trade around here inside 27 block. We pump it almost to 10 cents, so 8 cents 67, and that target looks more than real. So it was like 500% gains. That's why I marked that target. It was not some crazy targets. And now, after when we drop and add 1-0, because now we traded current moment like 0.209 on a Binance, it's sound and looks unrealistic. If we count the percentage gains, from that bottom, when we drop to here at the low 0.2025 on a Binance, I don't think so the Gala games will perform like 19,000% gains. Yes, guys, unfortunately, we can work only with that data at that present moment when we analyze the chart. So that time I posted the bull run plan. It looks so logical, right? And here, we traded at 5 cents, at 8 cents. Yes, it was so logical. So we can reach the main target like 0.5 level by FIB correction. Now, I don't think so. So the worst case scenario, guys, we can drop and add one more zero, I guess, to 27 level. So now we traded inside 27 block, global accumulation. I would like to show you after that the global chart, the crypto. But honestly, the chart looks so horrible. No hype around the GameFi sector, nothing. The most positive case now for the Gala games, the same story with Just Me. If we just go and close the 50%, for example, of this monthly gap, so it's around like 10 cents, it's going to be the miracle for the Gala games after that drop. So just be real. Fulfill of that monthly gap, it's for K500. For main trouble area, guys, it's going to be the test of yearly open, or if we will see the test of a previous yearly open. In zone 26, it's here like 3 cents 45, 1,200% gains. So it's amazing result, guys. Just brilliant. If we double check, guys, the 50% of the week where we can stop, because many cases we come back and close the 50% of the week. So it can be 0.2072 and 0.2061. So just in case, if BTC continue going down to 92, 94K, 92K, 86K, you can be sure we can test these levels. To buy Gala games or not, it's up to you. I'm not touch any token for the spot. Yearly open and the take profit line almost at the same level. Now it's 3 cents 42. So sooner or later, anyway, we will bounce to test the take profit, but the lines are dynamic, and where till that time when we will test this line will be that line, it's hard to say. Maybe it's going to be here, let's say like April 26. So the maybe line will go at so we drop it down, but after that bounce, and it can be like 2 cents 47, for example. We can't know. But now yearly open is here, and this is a take profit line, exit line. So that's it. And this is a monthly gap. We can mark it's like a monthly favorable gap. That's it. I would like to show you here this chart. What we analyze it also. It's a global chart, but of course it's not includes the Gala games on the DEXs. That's why I recommend you guys open the chart of a Gala game by contract, copy the contract on a CoinMarketCap or a CryptoRank and paste in DEX tools or DEX screener and take a look the gains of Gala game. That's why the guys insane profit. Last time when we analyzed the chart, we traded here. And we count, so if we hold the line at the fundamental value of the stock and on the weekly and go to sweep this high, it could be like 377% gains. It won't happen, and we landed and sweep this liquidity pool, this one, So we can delete it. We done with full fill of this one. Done. We test even this one full fill. So we tested the 0 level. The lower correction, and I'm more than sure, I don't want to harm you, but I think in the next bear market, if we still not see the bear market, the Gala game can drop to at least 0.022. Oh, by the way, on the Binance, we tied this level. Oh, nice one. So yeah, you remember on the Binance we touch it. So let me check again. So Gala USDT on the Binance, the lowest point was 0.2025. Almost touch it. 25. And here's 22. 26 and 5. So almost touched the 0.5 level fee with that monthly gap. That's why, guys, the best case scenario, if we just hold the line here, around here, 0.207, and going back. Now we'll leave this one. We can delete it because it's playing out already. So we can fulfill like 1 cent 38. And if you want to buy now, guys, at this point, it will be not a mistake to fix the withdrawal initial deposit. So here, after 100%, just withdraw initial deposit. You will be in safe place. Got it. Now we can double check once again the yearly open. We already mark it. I think we'll drop to that monthly gap later in the bear market. So this one, I don't think so. We're going to test it. So just to be honest, I don't think so. And you can see the difference, here we see the gap, like it's a Gala game USDT crypto, like 16 cent 35 and 21. And on the Binance, I guess there is no gap. So here, this is fulfilled. Kind of strange, but this one is here, another one. It's 2091 and 1634. All right, so let's double check, guys, with indicator set. So now the most positive case, guys, for a Gala game, if we just go and test this monthly gap. Honestly, I don't think so. We will reach the main target, so like 49 cents anymore. But everything possible in crypto. Direction, guys, direction indicator. First of all, here, this was accumulation, some tiny bounce, this one. It looks like not a big deal, right? After the accumulation, we pumped at 69%. Not so impressive. Now nothing. So we drop it under by price, but still no accumulation. It's kind of bad. Daily, it's neutral, just neutral. No bearish, no bullish. Now, based on take profit, guys, indicator, we try hold the line at the buy line. For the MEV value of the stock at 0.207, and most likely we will test this level. Take profit, it's 1 cent 86. Also, we will, I think, test this one. Exit line is 2 cents. So just make sure if you want to buy now at take profit line, just add alert like this one, and take profit the take profit line. And to sell your, withdraw your 50%, so 50% you withdraw initial deposit and leave the free tokens. It will be not a mistake. By the way, do we have the monthly chart? Unfortunately, no data yet for the monthly. Weekly, I showed you. So let's double check with other indicators. Unfortunately, guys, really, there is no hype in GameFi sector, and the token like Immutable X also crash it down. A lot of game Portal, Mobox, Gala game, a lot of GameFi sector tokens dump it like crazy. It's so sad. It's really sad. Here's a capitulation. So technically, it's a good time try to buy some tokens because it's a good time for risk reward. All this same period with a free zone, it was a time to sell. Yes, so sad. This is a capitulation we bounced. This is a disbelief. We crash it down to capitulation on a monthly. Daily, if we check also disbelief, I wish to see the drop to 0.207 by end of this week. And after that, bounce to the at least 1 cent 8. Money power. No money inflow. It's kind of strange, guys. So here was some money inflow. We bounce it. Tiny bounce. Here's the Eris MACD bullish divergency, but no money inflow yet. Weekly, we at the bottom Last time when we trade at that bottom, it was here in June. We saw another one, dip and pump. The pump was in average like over than 200%. So here, if from now we will pump, so it can be like test of the yearly open. So just be real, guys. Here was so obvious time to sell. Fun fact. But around here, a lot of altcoins crashed it to the bottom, but Gala still traded so high, over than 15 cents. Here was a MACD bearish divergency. Here's a MACD bullish divergency. We at the bottom. So based it, of course, risk ratio, risk reward. Now it's a logical time for accumulation. But keep in mind, fundamentally, we can't know what will happen with any token. I mean, decision of centralized exchanges. Any centralized exchange can delete any token from their platform, like they did with FLM, Flamingo recently, and Cardano. If for Cardano they have at least some reason, because the Cardano shut down the project and stepped back, but Flamingo they just deleted. So this is was a sell signal here, like Joule, take profit, buy, drop, and I wish to see that another signal to buy. Here's a sell, buy back, buy back, buy back. No signal to take profit from the sell. It's kind of weird. So I hope, guys, this time we will bounce at least to the yearly open. So I hope. If not, guys, we can drop way lower. Monthly, here the buy back, now nothing. We under the level of October 24, way under, and no signal to buy back. It's kind of weird. Daily, of course, the daily I already showed you. So here's a buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, buy, bounce, recommendation, to recommendation, close position. No new signal to buy. Guys, all targets I showed you, all levels I showed you. If you'd like to trade as my customer, I will show in this video. Right, Miriam, don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.